Hey, this is Brother Barnes. It's 2020 and I'm trying to think about the besterestest practice to get started with creating a YouTube channel. Number one, it's important to have a Gmail. Once a person has a Gmail, then they have access to YouTube. Sign in to your Gmail account. Next, I found the address for YouTube and I bookmarked it for easy access. So I want to click on the link and go to YouTube. Notice at the top right there will be an icon. My picture is here. You may have a letter here if you don't have a picture loaded. Notice that there are several dots to the left. It says YouTube apps. Please click on YouTube apps and I want you to go to Creator Academy. Check this out. This is fantastic and amazing. YouTube Creator Academy, the quick start guide to YouTube. Quickly set up your channel. Get discovered. Is your channel ready to earn? These are all questions the new YouTuber creator will have. YouTube is a fantastic way for us to connect with our communities.